Hello YouTubers, and welcome to another Yorkies Bits and Bobs. I have another unboxing and more of a unpacking really, because that's how it came. And it actually came in another box that had other stuff in it, so but I haven't actually undone this. It's a M.2, it's a NVMe SSD 960 EVO M.2. Now I already have an M.2 already in my PC, but it's not, for one thing, it's not as fast as this one. This one like double the speed of that one. And the reason I bought this is because I'm doing an upgrade on my PC. New motherboard, processor, RAM, not graphics card, because I have the latest graphics cards in there anyway. So I wanted to do the rest of it to get it all up to top-notch speed. So I went for this, and plus my new motherboard, when it turns up, will have a heatsink on it. So the one I've got in there now is getting a piggyback ride. It basically, you put it on like a PCI slot. It has to go on as a piggyback. So this one has its own, will go onto the motherboard in its own slot. It'll have its own M.2 slot. So that's the reason I bought it. So I'm going to quickly unpackage it and show you. It won't be a lot to see, I wouldn't have thought. Probably some instructions about it, maybe. So we'll have a look anyway. See what's inside. Yeah, see? I told you we're not. I didn't show you around the box neither. I don't think there's a lot to see on this. That's it. So yeah, it's nicely packaged. Looks quite nice. Yeah. Yeah. So isn't it tiny little thing? I think it writes about 3,300 and something, I believe. I'll have to read up. It cost me £196, just over. So they're not cheap, but you get what you pay for, and I wanted to say it was fast, and it's definitely fast, so I'll show you. There you go. See that? There. So that's an M.2. So when I get my new motherboard, I've got to plug that in and screw it down. So you plug it in that end, and then you have a little screw that end on the motherboard and just screw it down to hold it in place. That's about it on that. But this is all part of my PC build, like I said. So if you're interested, I'll stick links in there for the other bits as I'm doing them. So anyway, thank you for watching. If you have any comments, please post them below. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up, and if you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down. And please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.